Back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to do object detection using MediaPipe in native iOS application. So firstly you will have to go to this URL and we will be making use of CocoaPods because at the time of this recording this library does not support Swift package manager. And here you will have to go to the model section, click on this model section over here, and from over here you will have to download this model. So you can download any of these three model. So the difference is their size and accuracy. So if I have downloaded this int 8, which is less accurate but it is less in size as well, but if you want you can download this float 16 and float 32 as well. Once you have downloaded, here as you can see I have created a native iOS project and I have dragged and dropped my TF Lite model inside my project. Make sure the target membership is checked. Next, also I will show you the output quickly. So here you can see I have one button, click me, and as soon as I click on it, it opens the photo library. I'll select one photo and here you can see I selected the cup photo. That's why it is able to recognize it is cup. Let's see the code. Firstly you will have to go to info.plist and here you will have to add this photo library usage description permission. You will have to do is you will have to run pod space init. Once you run pod space init, you will be getting this pod file over here inside your project. So just go to your terminal, just run pod space init and you should get this pod file. Open this pod file inside VS Code or any other editor and you will have to add this bit of line. Once you add this, you will again have to go to your terminal and run pod space install, and it will install all the dependency, and then you can open this XE workspace. Next you will have to go to your view controller and here you will have to add this imports of photos UI and MediaPipe task vision, and you will also have to extend PH picker view controller delegate. Next I have created a button as well as a label over here. Next we are using this object detector options and I have also created a variable for object detector. Then I have added our button as well as label to our view. Then we are loading our TF Lite model, so make sure you use the same name whatever you have over here. Then once if it is possible to load that TF Lite model, then I am assigning the model assets part to our base option, as well as running mode is image and max results I have kept it as 5, but I am only using the first result. And then I am also initializing our object detector, and here I have applied our NS layout constraints to our button as well as label and added a click listener to our button as well. So as soon as our button is clicked, so I am first checking for this photo library permission. If the permission has been granted, then I am calling pick photo. If not, then I am asking for the permission. So once pick photo is called, here you can see we are opening the PH picker configuration. And the selection limit I have set it to 1 and filter by images only, and we are presenting that picker view controller to the user. Once the user picks an image, the callback will come over here. We are dismissing the image, we are getting the first item, and from that we are creating one UI image. Then we are converting our UI image to MP image. Then we are calling object detector dot detect MP image. Then we'll get results. So from that results we call detections, and once we get this detections, first I'm checking if the result of detections is not equal to empty, and if the first item of our results dot categories is also not equal to empty, and then only we get the category name. And if the name is also not equal to empty, then I'm just updating our label on the main thread to equal to name. Otherwise I'm just printing an error message.